Good morning, dear students. So today let us discuss about in that exercise in problem number 3. So that is Cos X is equal to 3 by 4. Yesterday already we have done that problems. So today once again let us discuss about this problem Cos X is equal to 3 by 4. That is lies in third quadrant. So this is lies in third quadrant. Okay, that's why first you shoot the graph. So this means third quadrant. You take on the third quadrant. This is first, second, third quadrant. This is 4. So third quadrant you take like this, O, P. So you draw on right angle triangle. So PM perpendicular to that x-axis PM. You take this is angle X because here given that angle is X. That's why you take X. Otherwise sometimes it is given theta. You take here theta. Okay. According to angle, this is opposite side. Opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Okay. We know the definitions. Cos X. Cos X means what? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent value is 3, opposite value is 4. So adjacent value is this is 3, this is 4. So next to find out hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you write here by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem is OP square is equal to OM square. According to that figure, OM square plus PM square. To take like this. Substitute the values of OP, find out. OP square, find out. What is the value of OM? 3. 3 square. Plus, what is the value of PM? 4. 4 square. OP square is equal to 3 square means 9 plus 4 square means 16. OP square is equal to 16 plus 9. 25. So then OP is equal to root 25. What is the value of root 25? Plus or minus 5. Therefore, write here 5. OP is equal to 5. OP is equal to 5. PM is equal to 4. OM is equal to 3. So then you write the sign of this. So OM sign is this sign. X-axis this sign it is what? Minus. You write here minus. So then this is always positive. OP is always positive according to condition. PM is minus. Right here minus because PM is parallel to this line. According to graph this is minus. That's why you take this one also minus. Okay na? ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು PM ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾಂತರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, next find out other trigonometric ratios. So in first one sin x. So we know the definition. Sin x is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite value is minus 4, hypotenuse value is 5. Minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 divided by 5. So next second one cos x. So cos x is equal to cos x. Cos x means adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value is what? Minus 3. Hypotenuse value is how much? 5. So therefore this is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 divided by 5. So next third one tan x. So tan x is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is minus 4. So adjacent value is minus 3. Minus 4 divided by minus 3. Minus 4 divided by minus 3. So minus divided by minus plus 4 divided by 3. This result is 4 by 3. Next fourth one. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಈ ಮೂರೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So if you want cosecant x, secant x, cot x, you take the reciprocal of sin cos tan. Okay. So next I am going to cosecant x. Cosecant x means reciprocal of sin x. You write the result of reciprocal of sin x. So cosecant x. Cosecant x is equal to reciprocal of sin is what? Minus 4 5 is there. So you write minus 5 by 4. Reciprocal means numerator go to denominator, denominator go to numerator. Okay na? Minus 5 by 4. So next fifth one, secant x. Secant x. So secant x is the reciprocal of cos x. So this result is what? 5 divided by minus 3. Otherwise minus 5 by 3. Okay, next cot x. Already you have given cot x. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ tan x is equal to ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ 4 by 3. tan x reciprocal ಏನು cot x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 4. ಓಕೆನಾ? So these are the result of these. Okay, dear students, first you write down. Yes, okay. So next problem, that is secant x is equal to 13 by 5. That x lies on fourth quadrant. Okay. So next problem, secant x. Secant x 13 divided by 5. Secant x is equal to 13 divided by 5. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು. This is sin x. Okay, so that lies in fourth quadrant ante. ಈಗ ನಾವು fourth quadrant ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ secant x ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So then find out other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios. Sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Fifth one, cot x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂತೀನಿ. Yes, okay. So dear students, first you should take the quadrants. This is y axis, this is x axis, first, second, third, fourth. Then OP is revolving line. Then PM is perpendicular to x axis. So take here x, because here given angle x. According to this x, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Yes, okay, next you take the sine. Yes, OM, that is equal to plus, no problem. This is also plus, no problem. But this is minus. Why? Because PM is parallel to y dash axis, y dash axis. So this is minus. That's why you take this minus. So OM, that is equal to x axis according to graph. This is always positive. Otherwise you write ಬರೆದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಬರೆದವರು ನಡೀತದೆ plus plus. Yes. So here given secant x. Secant x, what is the definitions of secant x? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. What is the value of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse 13. You take here 13. This is 13. Hypotenuse minus 13 ಆಯಿತು. So adjacent 5. So find out OP. OP ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂತೆ. So take the formula by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras, PHY means Pythagoras anta. THM means theorem anta. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in triangle OPM. Therefore this is angle 90 degree. Okay, Andre? Yes, OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. So then substitute the values. So OP square. So sorry. So here given hypotenuse is equal to 13. You write here 13. This is hypotenuse 13. Okay. So once again you see secant x is equal to definitions hypotenuse divided by adjacent, because cos x reciprocal. Cos x the adjacent by hypotenuse. Reciprocal means hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is given 13. So here adjacent is given 5. Find out PM. Okay. OP is equal to how much? 13 square. 13 square. Okay. So next, OM 5 square plus PM is equal to find out PM square, find out. So then 13 square is equal to how much? 169. 13 square is equal to 169. So 5 whole square is equal to 25 plus PM square. So then 169. So plus 25 and this side. Plus 25 kade kasri em barta hai minus 25 is equal to PM square. 169 minus 25 144. Therefore PM square is equal to 144. Then PM is equal to root 144, that is equal to 12. So PM is equal to S13 12, right, minus 12. So PM value is minus 12. Minus agittu according to graph. Okay. So this is the one type of the find out the other one side. PM is equal to 12. Then substitute the values of sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x and cot x. Yes, what is the definition of sin x? Opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite is equal to minus 12, hypotenuse is equal to 13. So therefore minus 12 divided by 13. Minus 12 divided by 13. So next cos x. Cos x definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is equal to what? 5 divided by 13. So 5 divided by 13. 5 by 13. So next tan x. Tan x means opposite by opposite by adjacent. Opposite is equal to what? Minus 12. Minus 12 divided by 5. So in other one, in cosecant x and cot x, you take the reciprocal of sine and cot. Cosecant x, reciprocal of sine. That value is 13 by minus 12. So otherwise minus 13 divided by 12. Cot x. Cot x is the reciprocal of tan. So tan, that is minus 12 by 5 means minus 5 by 12. Okay? ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್. Yes, okay. So fifth problem, last problem. Tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. That lies in second quadrant. Okay. Or tan x. Tan x is equal to minus 5 divided by 12. That is lies in x lies in second quadrant. Nodi, second quadrant ana. This is second quadrant. Okay. To take second quadrant. The x axis, y axis. This is first, second, third, fourth. O P. So then draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. So take here x because given x angle tan x. So this is according to this angle. This is opposite side. Hypotenuse adjacent. Okay, so in this case given tan x, tan theta. Tan theta definition, opposite by adjacent side. Okay, must and should you write first sign. So therefore this is minus. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು adjacent side ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, minus. According to graph this is minus, this is always plus, no problem. This is plus. Agree? Y plus OY, PM is parallel to OY. According to graph this is plus. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. PM OY ಗೆ ಸಮಾಂತರವಾಗಿದೆ. OY values positive ಬಂದಿದೆ, that's why PM is also plus. Okay, so you take the questions. Tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. Find the, so that is like lies in second quadrant. Find the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so opposite by adjacent. Opposite values. Okay, dear students, according to that, you see one condition is there. minus 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, minus 5. This is tan theta definitions, opposite by adjacent. Opposite side ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, according to problem minus ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But here I am taking, according to this figure, I am taking here plus. So take care here. That's why you take x here, x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, take here angle. So then this is opposite side. Okay na? Then this is adjacent side. So this is always, hypotenuse is always plus. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ how do you find out opposite side and adjacent side and hypotenuse? Very simple definition is there. Which side is opposite to theta or angle? Sorry, here angle I am taking x. Which side opposite to x angle, that is called a opposite side. Which side is nearest to theta, nearest to angle, that is called a adjacent side. Which side is opposite to 90 degree, that is called a hypotenuse. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕೋನ, ಒಂದು ಕೋನ ತಗತಿರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಬಾಹುನ್ನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಬಾಹು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಹತ್ರ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇಂತೀವಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ವಿಕರ್ಣ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಿಕರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಬಾಹುವನ್ನು ವಿಕರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, 100% ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿರ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಂತರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೇಳೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಾರಿ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡೆ, ಆಗ ಇದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ OM ಈಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿ, ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೇಳಿ -5 ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಗ. -5, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ 12, -5 + 12, minus 5 plus 12. Take care, yeah. Okay, dear students, ಈಗ minus 5 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ plus 12 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So by Pythagoras theorem find out OP. OP ನೀವು find out ಮಾಡಿ. OP find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಬರೀರಿ. This is homework. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್? ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.